Hello guys, in this tutorial I want to teach you on how to make your image black and white. So to do that, you have to go to Image, Adjustments, Black and White. So if you do it this way, it will make your image black and white. There's another way to do that without doing it on the actual image, which is going to here, adjustment layer, and click the black and white. As you can see that you can hide it or unhide it. If you want to make it a little bit darker, you can go to Hue and Saturation and play with the lightness. I hope you liked the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.